And when you're done, could you pull the guy over in the GT for being just a pompous, annoying car? Can we handle that? Did I do that all right? Am I offending any muscle car people out here? Okay, good. Yeah, because that was annoying as hell. How you doing? Ooh, Sergeant Gregory, how you doing?
Great.
And does your boss know that you're going to drive the cop car around the track?
He just called me. He's standing right back there.
Oh, okay, good. Is he going to get promoted for this? He sets a record? No? Hey, can you guys cuff me and put me in the back seat for a run? That would be genius, I got to tell you. Go do a warm-up lap and then we'll figure it out. Okay, Gregory, Sergeant Gregory, out of Hoover PD. Taking off in the 9C1 Tahoe. Yes, I said 9C1 Tahoe, which is the RPO for these police package Tahoes from Chevrolet. This thing is hauling ass through the course. Man, this could be bad. The guy in the GT's already crying. Through the finish line.